Hello, in this video I am going to tell you how you can add pattern in anything, especially shirts. So I am going to show you how you can add pattern in this shirt especially. So what we have to do is first we have to take a copy of this background layer. How you can do it, just press Ctrl plus J and you can see here is the duplicate layer of this background layer. Now what our next step is, we have to take the selection tool. You can take any selection tool. I am going to take a quick selection tool and then just select this t-shirt very carefully, and just you can see it, our selection is going outside as well. What I am going to correct it, I'm just press alt, and with the help of mouse I am dragging the selection. You can see it. If you can't see the selection clearly, just press Ctrl plus button and you can zoom in. Now what I'm going to do is just smoothly select this. Again I'm going to select alt plus uh, mouse button, and then again simply just I'm going to select it. Here you can see it, I have to deselect this selection, it's outside the shirt. Yeah, one more here, alt plus align with the shirt, all the selection. Now what our next step is, you can see it, our selection has been done. Now what our next step is, I'm going to, I think here little bit, no it's fine, like absolutely you can see it, maybe here it is little bit okay. No, I think it's fine now. Okay, whatever next step is, just take a copy of this layer as well, duplicate layer, control plus J. Here is another copy of this layer. This is the selection of only shirt, not the whole picture. Okay, without background you can see it, this is the only background layer, shirt selection. Okay, now what we have to do is, we have to now select our pattern, add pattern on it. I already saved it, it's up to you, whatever pattern you have to add it, just take selected and just put it here. Control plus a copy, and then move to the our working layer. Here is it, what we have to do, press Ctrl plus T and just adjust it according to the side of the shirt. Don't stretch it, just press shape while you are stretching the pattern like this. If you do it without the help of shape button, your design will be stretched. Okay, I think we have covered all the area of the shirt. Now I'm going to press enter, you can see it. Now what our next step is, go to this selection shirt, second last shirt we use, and press control and mouse button. You can see it, our whole selection of shirt is selected now again, and then select, press layer marks, add layer marks on it. You can see it, our layer marks, sorry, I have added the layer marks in wrong layer. Now added the layer marks, you can see it. Our design is totally is on the shirt right now, but we have to make little bit changes and adjust this design up so it looks fair or not look awkward, or you can say it. Okay, don't worry, it's a filter, you can see it, or you can even decrease the opacity. It's totally up to you how much intensity you want in your design. It totally depends on your choice. You can change screen, you can see it. You can select color burn as well. No, it not looks good. I think linear one is looking absolutely fine, and you can play with the opacity according to your choice. It's look very good. That's it for now. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video as much as you can. Okay, bye.